students, kingdom citizens, check me out. We are at, who's that guy? That's your finance geek. Duh. We are in Orlando, doing it big. Doing it big. Got a kingdom workshop going on in Orlando area. And, you know, my friends in Orlando decided to put me up in a schwank hotel, Sheraton, 5-star. King for a king. Oh my God. Love it. Look, Denzel's on the screen. Man on fire. Man, when Denzel's on, everything stops. Everything stops. I am so excited. I am so blessed to have the opportunity to speak at a kingdom workshop, helping people with their finances, becoming completely debt-free, living the life they want to live, gaining their kingdom authority. I mean, come on. Come on. So my friends in Orlando took really good care of me, put me up in a nice hotel. You know I like to do things nicely, so I appreciate it. If there's any loyal fans out there, you got a congregation, you got a nonprofit organization, company, you want me to come speak about velocity banking, infinite banking, or kingdom authority, I'm your man. All right, I'm your guy. All you got to do is reach out to me. Go to my website, fill out a contact form, and I will be there. All right. Like I always say, it is an honor, privilege to serve you, to serve the Lord, and to fulfill my kingdom. All right, on earth, here on earth, the physical kingdom. Mastering our finances, living the life we want to live. I just want to give you guys a deep dive behind the scenes of what goes down when you start 10xing your income, when you start helping people. Look, people want to be helped. They want to commit. You got to come out there. You have to be ready. You have to be prepared. I'm 23 years old. I don't know everything. All right. I don't have it all together. And that's okay because I'm a human being. All right. I am whole, perfect, and complete. I am an honorable, passionate, powerful man. Period. My name is Denzel Rodriguez. Like I said, if you want me to come speak at your event, workshop, anything around kingdom, velocity banking, infinite banking, those are my expertise areas. Would love to come and visit you, hang out. All you got to do is fly me, take care of me, feed me some food, put me in a nice hotel, give me a nice bed to rest on, and that's it. Pretty simple. All right. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day, and God bless.